Academia Sinica researchers say genetic testing could be a good way to prevent diseases like cancer and stroke in patients with certain gene mutations. In a recent study, they found that 3.1% of Taiwan's population could carry a mutation that predisposes them to cancer. They say that if the carriers of the gene are detected early, that would allow them to change their lifestyles and get treatments early on to protect themselves against disease.
Widespread genetic testing can be the key to better medical care, according to a research team by Academia Sinica led by Kwok Pui-yan. The team analyzed genetic data from more than 100,000 individuals in the Taiwan Biobank and found that more than 20% of the people are mutation carriers of autosomal recessive conditions such as thalassemia and albinism. They also found 3.1% have mutations in cancer-predisposing genes and 0.88% carry the Notch3 mutation, which makes carriers more likely to suffer a stroke. The paper has been published in an international journal, Genomic Medicine.
That
is to say, people that carry these genes may be more likely to get cancer. Watching one's diet closely could be a way to prevent the disease. Testing could let people detect it sooner and get treatment earlier on.
Experts say changing one's habits and early screening can minimize the risk of contracting cancer. Meanwhile, the study estimates that around 230,000 people in Taiwan carry the Notch3 mutation, which increases the likelihood of strokes and small vessels in the brain.
It's a hereditary small vessel condition that can cause strokes. We speculate that a part of dementia patients might have developed the disease from many small vessel strokes.
Strokes generally strike people aged 45 to 55, but carriers of the mutation are many times more likely to suffer a stroke at just 20 years of age. Experts say genetic testing can allow people to detect disease-causing mutations early to reduce risk and get treatment as soon as possible.